everyone, my name is Jill and I'm with... Today we will share to you a very nutritious drink. And you know what makes it special? It has Reliv now for kids. Very good. So what are the ingredients, Zailey? Orange juice, carrot juice, ice. Very good. And our Reliv now for kids, vanilla flavor. So what are we going to do with this, Zailey? Mix. Very good. So let's open the shaker cup. So first pour the carrot juice into the shaker cup. Add the orange juice. Very good. Next is add a scoop of Reliv Now for Kids vanilla flavor. Hey, look, Zailey. Wow. What's this? Yummy!
What yummy?
This one, yummy. Look, here. Then, after, add ice. And, what's next? Shake, shake, shake! Go, shake!
Yummy!
Easy, right? So why don't we try this very healthy and
yummy!
very good, yummy drink using Reliv Now for Kids. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, say bye, baby.
Bye.